Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we have the Wacom Intuos graphics tablet to unbox. So this tablet comes with, it's the small size, and it comes with three actually bonus softwares if you would like to use them. So we'll unbox this today and we'll see what comes in the box, and we'll show you the packaging and everything. So we'll just just open it from the side here. And we'll take the tablet out. So this is basically the tablet that comes in the box. It's the small size. So we'll take it out from the plastic wrap. So this is the tablet. It has 4 buttons at the top, and this one is you have to connect it with a wire, and it's a micro USB, and there is nothing else on it. And obviously it has this loop here for the pen if you would like to use it as well. So what else comes in the box is basically coming in with the pen, the Wacom pen, which has 2 buttons, no eraser in the back, and this doesn't have a battery, so this works well without having to recharge it. And if you screw the bottom here, you will see that it comes with 3 extra nibs to change them. So they come with the pen. And the other thing is the pen comes with obviously the cable. So the cable is a micro USB to USB, and this is what goes on the computer. This is what goes in the tablet, and some instruction guides of how to actually use the tablet. And here, as you can see, they show you that if you unscrew the back, you will be able to get the 3 extra nibs, access them, and you use the back of this pen to actually change the nibs that you have here. So this is what you basically do, and eventually take the old nib out and put it in the garbage. So this is it's a nice graphical way of representing how you change the nib. And obviously here they show you that you could actually store the pen where the buttons are located, or you just put it in the loop, either way, and some other instructions as well. And obviously if you want to connect it, you just connect it to the place where you have the micro USB, and they give you one in the box. You connect it to micro USB, and this goes to the computer. So it's a very simple box, as you can see. So what you get is the instructions, and you get the cable to connect it, you get the pen, and obviously you get the small size tablet. So it's a very simple unboxing here, and hope this would helpful if you would like to purchase this Wacom Intuos. So I got this from Amazon, and that's the small size. So obviously the smaller size is the cheaper size. You could get the medium or the larger size as well. So this will give you a better drawing area, bigger drawing area than what you see here. So thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.